Good day class. In this video we will do exercise number 1.3. So question number first is find each of the following products. What you have to do? You have to find the products. So I am going to do question number first F. Question number first F. The question is minus 12 into minus 11 minus 12 multiplied by minus 11 multiplied by 10. Okay. How many negative signs there are? 2. So they are even then answer will be positive. Okay. Plus what is 12 into 11? 11 into 12 is 132 into 10. Answer will be 1320. Okay. Question number J is minus 3 multiplied by minus 6 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 1. Okay. So how many negative signs there are? 4. So if there are 4 negative signs, then the answer must be positive. So we will write plus what is 3 into 6? 18. What is 18 into 2? 36. And 36 into 1? Answer is 36. Question number I. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 into 4. How many negative signs there are? 3, 1, 2 and 3. So answer will be negative. 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 4, 24. Answer will be 24. Done? Okay, question number second is verify the following. So I am doing question number B. What you have to do is question number A. Question number B is question number 2 B. Minus 21 into minus 21 into bracket open minus 4 plus minus 6 minus 4 plus minus 6 equals to minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. Okay, so what we have to do is this is the bigger bracket. What we have to do? We have to solve again. Minus 21 into what is minus 6 plus minus 4? It will be plus 10. Done? Wrong. It will be minus 10. Okay? What you have to do is you have to write it like this: minus 4 plus minus 10. This positive and negative sign will be minus 4. This plus and minus sign will be minus 6 or equal 6. What is minus and minus? They both will be added. 6 and 4, 10. The sign is of the bigger one. Minus 6 is the bigger digit. So we will have minus n as the answer. Done? Equals to what is minus into minus? It will be positive 21 into 4, 84. Plus again little bracket. What is minus into minus? It will be positive. What is 21 into 6? It will be 126. Done? Now what we have to do is minus 21 into minus 10. It will be plus 210. And what is 84 plus 126? It will be again 210. Hence proved LHS equals to RHS. Okay, what we have proved is the left hand side is equals to right hand side. It means the statement is correct. Okay, question number third. For any integer a, what is the value of minus 1 into a? Okay, you can also do that. Question number third. First, what is the value of a into minus 1? A is any integer. So, how many negative signs there are? 1. Answer will be minus a. Done? Question number second. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is minus 22. Okay, question number second. Determine the integer whose multiplication with minus 1 gives minus 22. We have to find this integer whose multiplication with minus 1 gives minus 22. Done? Okay, the answer is minus 22 and we have a sign there. We have a positive sign there. Okay, so I am rubbing it and writing it down there. Okay, it was like this. Find the integer. Question number third, second. Okay, third B. Find the integer whose multiplication with minus 1 gives minus 22. Okay, we already know that there is a minus sign and in answer there is also a negative sign. So what we have to do is we have to put a positive sign there so that plus into minus will be negative. So it is plus 22 the answer. Next is determine the integer whose multiplication with minus 1 gives 37. So the answer is positive. If we take the positive sign integer there, then plus into minus should be minus, but we want positive. So what we take is, we will take negative into negative will be positive. So it will be 37 of negative nature. Done? Next is 0. What should be multiplied? Minus 1 should be multiplied by what? That the answer becomes 0. So if we want the answer equals to 0, we have to multiply the digit by 0. Okay, 0 is the final answer. 0 into minus 1 will be 0. Done? Okay, question number 4. Start from minus 1 to 5. Write various products showing some patterns to show minus 1 into minus 1 equals to 1. Okay, we have to start from where? Minus 1 into 5. So we can write it like this. Question 4. Minus 1 into 5. And in the next line we can write minus 1 into 4. Minus 1 into 3. Minus 1 into 2. Minus 1 into 1. Minus 1 into 0. And then minus 1 into minus 1. The answer will be minus 1 into 5. Minus 5. It will be minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, and it will be plus 1. Required solution that we want. Question number 5 is find the product using suitable properties. We have to use some properties and find the answer. Question number 5. Okay. So I have made to understand you what is distributive property. This is the reverse of distributive property. So let us understand. 26 into minus 48. 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into 36, minus 48 into minus 36. Okay, so we can see that in this multiplication and in this multiplication, minus 48 is in both the sides. So we will take minus 48 as common. Okay, from this and from this we have taken minus 48 common. Done. So minus 48 is taken as common. So what left behind? It's 26. In both these terms the plus sign is there. We have to write positive. And what was left behind in this term? It is minus 36. Okay. And what we have to do is, it's minus 48 into 26 into minus 36. 26 minus 36. It will be minus 48 into minus 10. What is 48 into 10? It will be 480. And what is minus into minus? It will be plus 480. Our final answer. Okay. I know that all of these questions are like this. What you have to do is, I am doing question number B, 8 into 53. 8 multiplied by 53, which is of negative nature, minus 53, multiply by 125, multiply by minus 125. Done? Okay. So what we must know is, I can find the answer directly, but you must know that by multiplying which number the answer will be quickest. I know all of you can multiply first of all 8 into 53 and 53 into 125. But what I should do when I see the question? When I saw the question, I reminded myself that 125 into 8 equals to 1000. I know that 125 into 8 equals to 1000. So I can write the next step, 53 into minus 1000, because 125 into 8 is 1000. And what is 53 into 1000? It will be minus 53,000. Answer. Done? Next question is, so the next question which I am going to do is question number G and question number H. Question number G and question number H. Okay, question number G is minus 17 into minus 29. Minus 17 into minus 29. Done? Okay, what I can write is minus 17 into, it is minus 29. So I can write minus 29 as minus 30 plus 1. Minus 30 plus 1. Done? So first of all we will multiply this 17 by 30 and then this 17 by 1. So minus 17 into minus 30. Minus 17 into minus 30. Done? It is a plus sign there, then we have to write a plus sign. What is minus 17 into 1? Minus 17 into 1. Done? Next step is minus into minus, it will be positive. 17 into 3, it will be 5, 1, 0. Done? And what is 17 into 1? It will be plus minus 17. Next step will be 510 minus 17. Done? Equals to 493. This is our final answer. answer. Okay. Okay, next question is minus 57 into 19 minus 19 plus 57. Minus 57 into minus 19 plus minus 57. Okay, this is our question. It was plus 57. Plus 57. Done? Okay, what we can say is that it is of minus nature, it is also minus nature. We can write it 57 into 19 because minus into minus will be positive. And what is 57? We can write 57 into 1. 57 multiplied by 1. Okay? Is it correct? Yes. What we can do is we can take 57 common from both of these. So I have taken 57 common, it will be 19 plus 1. 19 plus 1. What we can write is 57 into 19 plus 1 is 20. 19 plus 1 is 20. So we can easily multiply 57 by 2. What is 57 into 2? 57 into 2 will be 104. 104, and we can place a 0 there. Done? So class, what we have done is, we have done question number up to question number 5th. In the next video, we will go to question number 6, 7, 8 and 9. Thank you class.